Jai Hind class 9th students. How are you students? Are you fine? Yes. Okay. Students, I don't know you are fine or not fine, but I pray to God you make a smile on your face and do your study well, and you live in a free atmosphere, there is no disease and your health is good. Okay, so students, today I discussed here according to the principal message. Your examination is first periodic test first is held on 10th of August. As you receive the timetable date sheet of examination, and you know very well these things. Your examination is start from the 10th of August. And one more thing I want to share to you, this examination is based on online mode. Then in your mind too much type of confusion, how the school take the examination in online mode, how the school take the examination in online mode. It's a modern time students, and it in this time very easy to take the examination in online mode, because various types of ways the various types of ways provides the institutions and the software developer companies to take this in the critical condition take the test. Okay, so students, it's a small topic. Students, it is clear, the question is arise from this session, basics of information technology unit first. You know very well this unit, this unit contain four chapter, but I ask until I ask to tell the input and output chapter. Okay, that chapter from the third, I think, maybe. Okay, so students, you don't be afraid for the examination, because I ask a very short question. And you know very well, in the periodic test only the 10 questions are needed. 10 question is compulsory to do this work, students. And one more thing I want to share to you, when you give the answer, then correctly answer you provide, and if you taking long time, then it's a very tough. But I know and I hope to you will be able to do that things. Okay, so students, let us revise the whole things those I open in front of you. Basics of information technology, BIT. Okay, basics of information technology. So students, you know very well the computer definitions, the types of the computer, and the characteristic of a computer, components of a computer system, CPU, memories, storage devices, and input and output devices. This all things you know. And also students, you know the memory, primary memory, RAM and ROM, and secondary memory, PROM, EPROM, double EPROM. Okay, वो भाई दिख नहीं रहा है इसमें, लेकिन बट होते हैं. The storage devices I like that: hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, flash drive, memory sticks, type of a software, type of software like that: system software, operating system, device and drivers, application software including mobile applications also. Okay, and these things: computer networking, types of network: PAN it means personal area network, LAN local area network, MAN metropolitan area network, and this wide LAN instance, WAN wide area network, Wi-Fi communications, Bluetooth cloud computers, private and public networks, multimedia, images, audios and videos. All things is completed, students. Okay, up to here we completed, but I am not asking up to here. But I want to told you the question are very small, like that. Suppose that I ask what is input device, then you have the answer of input device, yes or no? I think you have the answer of input device. Input device is a type of device that provide the instruction to the computer to do the specific work, to do the work of this type. Okay, so students, after the clearance of these things, suppose I ask, write down the examples of input devices. Then if you know the input device examples, suppose that I ask the 5 input device examples, then what you provide? Firstly, when you read, then you have to provide the answers, students. Okay, when you not read, then it is very impossible, and it is very critical condition to provide the answer. Okay, students, so you remember these things, you provide the answers correctly. Okay, those I question, those types of question I ask. Okay, so suppose examples of 5 input devices: keyboard, mouse, scanner, light pen, joysticks, वेब कैमरा। 6 मैंने बता दिया, ठीक है। तो ऐसे करके इसके एग्जांपल्स याद होने चाहिए। एंड व्हाट इज़ कीबोर्ड, तो कीबोर्ड को एक्सप्लेन करना आपको आना चाहिए कि कीबोर्ड इज़ अ टाइप, looks like as a typewriter, and it is used to type work in the computer system. Okay, तो ये चीज़ें क्लियर होनी चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है। क्वेश्चंस वेरी स्मॉल होंगे बट आंसर्स आपको देने पड़ेंगे। सपोज दैट आपसे पूछ दिया गया कि व्हाट इज़ आउटपुट डिवाइस, तो आपको आउटपुट डिवाइस को भी एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा कि आउटपुट डिवाइस इज़ दिस एंड बाय दिस एप्लीकेशन वी हैव टू डू दिस वर्क। फिर उसके बाद से स्टूडेंट्स, मे बी आई आस्क the examples of the output device, then you provide the examples of the output devices like that: monitor, printer, monitor, printer, plotter. Okay, these types of output device examples you provide. Students, one more thing I want to share to you, these things, memory questions may be also arise. What is the primary memory, what is the secondary memory? Okay, how much type of the primary memory have 2 types, RAM and ROM. And what is the secondary memory, you also know that secondary memory is a permanent memory, and this memory is used to store the data permanently until when you not delete that record. Okay, students, characteristics of the computer may be asked like that. Speed is a type of characteristic of the computer by which, because everyone know the computer is a very fast machine, and in there we have to calculate the hugs of number automatically. Okay, students, similarly the CPUs, what the CPU consists. Okay, you know very well, students, yesterday I taught you CPU consists only 3 things. Which is, students, the first is register or memory, second is ALU, arithmetic and logic unit, and students, third is what? Third is CU, control unit. And in the both of three is the mostly work of the CU, control unit, because that unit is manage your all peripherals to the in the entire computer system. Okay, entire computer systems, all the devices is connected to the CPUs, and CU is control of and manage that all devices and all things. Okay, students, so it is a short class for you, but in this class we told you only 10 question is arise, and 10 numbers of that each question, 1 number of each question, so total 10 numbers of exam. So you will prepare the question answer short types and the headings, and what is the examples of the input output. Okay, and software you know very well, hardware you know very well, I know. Okay, so in the these are all things you prepare it. Okay, students, if you have any problem, then you just ask me. And students, it's a very big fault of you not give the reply. I told you too much time, you just submit the what you just submit the homework, but you are not sending. It's a very bad thing, you submitted, students. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, students.